Hey guys, welcome back to Crooks Tech. Today I'm bringing you some Skullcandy Sesh earbuds that I picked up from Best Buy. I believe I got these for 60 bucks. I was in the market for some new earbuds for the gym. I saw these and they look kind of interesting to me. So I decided to pick them up, give them a try. 10 hours is the battery life on these guys. So we're going to put that to the test, but first let's get into the unboxing of the Skullcandies. Alright, let's get into unboxing here. There's some tape there that you just take that off. And let's see what's in the box. Back here we got some warranty information, user guide, nobody ever looks at that. We got this bag here. Looks like it comes with extra ear tips. So it comes in small and large. I'm assuming the mediums are already on there. Comes with a charging cable, which is a micro USB. I don't know why they still do micro USB. Yeah. I wish I would pick up with the time and start giving out USB-Cs. But oh well. In here, this is the charging case. Feels pretty cheap, to be honest with you. Skullcandy right there in the front. Power indicator, so it's 75% charge. And here are the earbuds. Let's see. Oh man, these are hard to get out of here. 1 and 2. So these are the earbuds. I picked these out because the batteries aren't as bulky as some of the other ones that I've tried in the past. But to be honest with you guys, the build quality of these, they feel a little too cheap, like real plasticky. But I guess that's what you get when you do go cheap with 60 bucks. But let me pair them up, hook them up, test them out for you guys, and give you guys my opinion on these guys, and see if they're really worth 60 bucks or just kind of save the money and use that to get some different other headphones. Alright guys, let's get into the review of the Skullcandy Sesh. I got these at Best Buy for 50 bucks. Regular price is $60. I know they run a little bit cheaper right now on the Skullcandy website, so if you want to get a good deal on these headphones, go ahead and go on the Skullcandy website. They do come in 3 colors. The ones I got are the black and gray ones. They also come in like a navy, dark blue, and a maroon. Alright, let's talk about the battery and the earbuds. Now the earbuds themselves hold a 3-hour charge alongside with the case. This case here give you an extra 7 hours of battery, so a combined total of 10 hours of listening. On the front here you have 4 LED indicator lights that will show you the status of charge you have on your headphones. So if you push this little button here, you see the little light indicator lights pop up. So this right here is just showing you to have about 75% charge of the case. So there's an extra one that's not lit up there. And the way you charge these guys will be through this micro USB that just goes straight here. It doesn't come with a block, so the block you have to get separate. But if you're going to be using these guys as your main earbuds, I would recommend you maybe getting something that holds a little bit longer battery life, because these guys, the main reason I got these guys was just to go to the gym, because I'm only there about an hour and a half, so the battery is not a big con for me. But if you guys are going to be using these on the bus or you're going to school, work, you might want to switch out and get something different that holds a little bit more extra battery. So the earbuds are also IP55 sweat, water, and dust resistant, so these would make some good earbuds for the gym, which is the reason I got them for. I didn't have any issues with them with the sweat when I was at the gym. The fit on these guys is really great. I was doing cardio for about 30-45 minutes, and not once did these guys get loose, come out, budge. They do have a great fit, and they do come with extra wingtips or those little ear cushions. On me, since I have big ears, I did swap them out for the large ones. You can also use only one earbud if you want, but the only one that you can use is this left one here as your primary earbud. So if you want to just rock the one earbud in the ear, then the right ones will just have to stay in the case for the left one to work. Unfortunately, you can't use the right one to do the individual hearing as well. So unfortunately, the earbuds don't have touch control, but they do have a little button on each side that controls certain actions. It is a little rubberized texture here, so they are really responsive when you're trying to control the media you're listening to. One press is to pause and play. 2 presses on the right or the left would increase the volume. 3 press will activate your voice assistant, and a long press on the right or left would swipe or skip between your previous tracks or your music or the video you're watching. The only thing I didn't like about the earbuds is when you have a man and you're trying to control the content, then when you push it, you gotta kind of push kind of hard, and when you do that, these guys just kind of jam in your ear. So if you already have like a good fit, then you're just pushing these earbuds a little bit more in your ear, which is annoying. But for 60 bucks, you can't ask for more. But the fit on these guys, like I was saying earlier, guys, the fit was perfect for me. I have a hard time finding earbuds like this just because the battery is a lot bulkier. But like I said, I wore these for about an hour, hour and a half, and did not have any issues with the fit at all. So if you guys are in the market for some budget-friendly earbuds, then I do recommend the Skullcandy Sesh. For only 50-60 bucks, they're not bad for what they can do. Like, the reason I got these guys was for the gym, and I don't want to spend $150-$200 and potentially lose some earbuds. But oh, and the cool thing, if you lose or damage an earbud, Skullcandy can actually replace that earbud for a discount on the website, which is something cool I didn't know. So it doesn't tell you how much the discount is, but that's something, you know, that you may want to be mindful of about Skullcandy. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video of the unboxing and reviewing of the Skullcandy Sesh. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below with some suggestions of tech that you want to see on the channel, and I'll try to make that happen for you guys. Can't wait to see what you guys think of or comment down below. And thanks again for watching. Bye guys.